It's my 2002 Hyundai Santa Fe. I need somebody to tell me what this knock is. This head just been repaired, new valves and whatnot. It was louder than this, but still hear that little knocker right there. And checked the rods, and there's no play in the rods. And I had new bearings and stuff put on there, and I checked there's no play in those. I thought it might have been a rod knock, so I checked that. This is what it sounds like when I get on it. So if anybody know what this is, please let me know. Now quit now, stop now. Not doing it. Now here it comes back. Hear it? Slowly comes back. It always leaves for a while. There it is. So I don't know if those lifters still need to be primed up good. But I checked the sound like it's coming right in here. But for the new valves, hey, just spent over $499.90. Get this head repaired. That's what it sounds like. Look at the head, you see it looks good new. So, anybody knows what this is? If anybody can give me any clue, any inkling what this could be, I'll be more than appreciated. Have a great day and may God bless.